Hey guys, welcome to BrinaCreations. In today's video, we're making ginger garlic turmeric tea. This tea is a very healthy tea for your immune system, for cold, flu, weight loss, and the rest of it. So I've just added my ginger garlic, which is blended, and then I've just added my turmeric, and I'm adding a little bit of black pepper to help for absorption into the body. This tea can boil over. It has tendency to boil over. So what I do, whenever it starts to boil, I reduce the heat so that it just boils within that capacity, if you know what I mean. So I take this first thing in the morning to help me with weight loss and then any other thing. It helps to reduce inflammation. It helps give you nice skin, overall health, So if you have not started to incorporate this in your regular day-to-day diet, you should. You don't necessarily have to do it. So if you have colds or your kids have colds, this is one thing to do to help you maintain a healthy lifestyle. So guys, I hope you learn one or two from this. My name is Oge and I'm reaching you from Abuja, Nigeria. I make videos on healthy living, great recipes, and how to achieve all of this on a budget. So if you like videos like this, you want to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and then don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends. So I'm just going to be making the tea. I'm going to be straining it now. And then this tea, by the way, is going to last us for about a day or two, depending on how many of us are going to be partaking in it. So I'm just going to strain this now and I'm going to drink. One way to do it is to take it as is. Because of the black pepper, the turmeric is going to be absorbed into the body. Another way is you can add milk if you want, because if you have ulcer, this might burn a little bit. But if it's not that serious, you can go with it. You can add milk to help reduce the burn from the pepper and the garlic and ginger. You know what I mean? So I'm adding a little bit of honey to just make it more soothing to drink. You can add a little bit of milk, but I'll prefer to add skimmed milk if you have to add any form of milk. So guys, as you already know, we preach healthy living here. So I make videos on healthy living, great recipes, and budgeting. So how to generally manage your home on a budget. And this is me here trying to enjoy my tea. I'll see you guys until next time. Bye.